Hello, hello. My name is Monica Bravo, and I'm so excited that you have decided to join me in this adventure of Mama Tribe. The Bravo Mama Tribe came about after years of coaching women who were exhausted, overwhelmed, tired, and really didn't know what tools were available to get them their energy back, their body back, and after having kids, just getting their brain and mindset back. So, over the next month, several months, solstice years, we are going to delve into this Bravo Mama tribe. And in our tribe community, you will have other mamas that are feeling exactly like you are. Some will be maybe farther ahead than you in their journey with wellness and fatigue and energy. Others will be exactly in the same spot you are, right? So there's different phases in the Bravo Mama tribe. We first start with mama that is super fatigued, feeling overwhelmed, doesn't know where to start, right? So we give you those tools. We also have the mama that is working out a lot, still doesn't have energy. We have the mama that is meditating, is really spiritually connected, has their roots, but doesn't know what other tools they need to do in their gut, in their physical body to keep them in a really bravo expansion state. So this is your one-stop shop to get everything you need. You're going to have monthly meal plans. You're going to have videos and interactions from other mamas that have already been on the path and know how to sustain their energy and to have high vibration. You're going to have bi-weekly coaching calls with me, and if you want, you can be on the hot seat and I will get you there and answer the questions you need. Every month we will have a topic where we're really connecting with the season, with the foods, with our mental state, right? So some seasons will be very earthy, some will be very airy. You'll be more connected spiritually. In other areas, you'll be a little bit more fiery, right? In the summer, you feel that fire, you feel that movement. So we will connect our mindfulness, our affirmations, our meditations, our meal plans, and our mindset together. These will be seasonally, they will be with each of the solstice. So each quarter, in each solstice, we'll be opening to new members. And I want you to know that just being connected with these amazing women are going to change your life. Really starting to connect with what's going on in your inner body, your gut will change your life because there's more neurotransmitters in your gut than there is in your brain. We will work on changing your mindset patterns, how you think about yourself, and really taking responsibility for your own self-care and your own self-worth. We will also give you mini meditations so you stay focused and connected. And I will share with you my journey because I wasn't always energetic and happy and joyful. After baby one, I had a certain journey. After baby two, I learned how to nourish myself from the inside out. And after baby three and over 40 years old, I really had to get everything in sync, really get everything in this lifestyle change and really take care of myself. And I want to honor you because being in the Bravo Mama tribe is about taking initiative and really getting that initiation into self-care. You will now be responsible for making yourself number one. And you will also have me as a guide. You can ask questions in our private group. You can ask all other moms for help. You will learn how to prioritize your life so that it works for you because you're number one. So I appreciate you so much. Please go into our membership group online, download your first month documents, and let's get started.